In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove add background music in Canva. Whether you're cleaning up a project or giving it a fresh soundtrack, I'll walk you through the essentials so your audio supports your visuals without getting in the way. Let's start with removing background music from a design you already have open. Head to your design and look at the timeline along the bottom of the editor. You'll see a colored bar representing your audio. Click that bar, or select the specific track you want to change. When the toolbar appears, choose Volume. Here you can quickly lower the level with the slider, or tap the mute icon, the little speaker with a line through it, to silence it completely. Muting is useful if you're experimenting and might bring the track back later. If you're sure you don't need the music at all, keep the track selected and click the trash can icon, or use the delete option from the menu. That removes it from the timeline so it won't play or export. A quick tip: after muting or deleting, scrub through the timeline and preview to confirm there aren't multiple audio clips hiding on different pages. Now let's add background music. Open the Audio tab in the left sidebar. If you don't see it, you can also go to Elements and choose Audio. Browse or search for a track that matches your mood, then click it to add it to your project. If you have your own licensed music, go to Uploads, select Upload Files, and bring it into Canva. Once your track appears, drag it from the sidebar or from your uploads onto the timeline, placing it below your video so you can see exactly where it begins. From here, fine-tune it. To trim, click the audio track and drag the ends to shorten or lengthen it so it fits your content. To adjust the volume, select the track and use the volume slider in the toolbar. As a rule of thumb, lower background music helps narration and on-screen text stand out, so keep it subtle. To change where the music starts, simply click and drag the track along the timeline until it lines up with your intro, a transition, or an ending moment. Play back a few sections to check levels, and make sure the music doesn't overpower any voiceover. When everything feels balanced, you're ready to export with confidence. Thanks for watching.